Join us on a spine-chilling expedition as we unveil the most terrifying Ring doorbell footage caught on camera. Brace yourself for a thrilling adventure where fear and mystery intertwine. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and become part of our community of fearless explorers. Get ready to discover the top 5 scariest doorbell footage caught on camera. Number 5. The Pretend Cop. Here we see a strange man acting as a police officer. The person on the other side of the door has no idea who he is or what he wants. You can see here he notices that he's being recorded, turns around, sees someone and acts as if he is at the wrong address, then quickly runs off. Number 4. Real-life zombie. This man trying to force his way into someone's home is clearly battered and bloody on his face. If you look closely on the top part of his face, you can either see blood or maybe even dirt. He tries his best to bust the door down but fails and eventually falls over the railing. This chilling scene makes it look as if a zombie is trying to enter someone's house. Your homes are meant to be a safe space, and it's a good thing that this door held up. Number 3. The burglars. A couple comes to the door, rings the doorbell, and acts as if they need help. The lady asks to use the phone while her partner stands behind her, covering his face with a mask. She explains that her car broke down on the road, but when the homeowner senses there is something odd, he doesn't help and her partner pulls out a weapon and tries to force his way into the home. After an unsuccessful attempt to run off into the dark. Number 2. The creepy clown. Does anyone remember the creepy clown year the United States had? Creepy clowns dominated the internet and even national news. More than likely, this person was participating in the creepy clown pranks, but this homeowner did not want to take the risk of opening the door for good reason. Imagine it's the middle of the night, you get a notification from your security system, check your phone, and you see this person standing on your doorstep. What will you do? Number 1. The licker. This last one is rather strange and weird. Something that isn't necessarily scary but creepy in its own right. This man looks directly at the camera and starts to lick the intercom or doorbell. For what reason, we do not know, but this is something that you do not want to wake up to in the middle of the night. How would you react if you saw this on your security footage? So that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to the Spooky Lab for more spooky adventures.